Students, in this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure for hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Students, the first step is that we count total number of electrons. Students, we know that hydrogen is present in group 1, so it provides 1 electron. But 2 hydrogen atom provide 2 electrons. And in the periodic table, students, sulfur is present in group 16, so it provides 6 electrons for bonding purpose. So, total number of electrons equal to 8. Students, we have to distribute these 8 electrons between hydrogen and sulfur. So, sulfur, hydrogen, hydrogen. Students, first of all, we place a pair of electron between hydrogen and sulfur to represent a single covalent bond. Between hydrogen and sulfur to represent a single covalent bond. Students, we know that in writing the Lewis structure, the less electronegative is present in the center, but we know that hydrogen is less electronegative than sulfur. But the other rule is that hydrogen atom always present outside the molecule. That's why hydrogen atoms present outside the molecule. So now we complete the octet for central atom, which is sulfur. First, we place 2 electrons above the sulfur and 2 electrons below the sulfur. But student, by placing the electrons, sulfur completes its octet, but hydrogen completes its duplet. But this is not the real structure for hydrogen sulfide. The final structure for hydrogen sulfide is that sulfur, 2 pair of electrons and 2 half-filled orbitals. So we place hydrogen here and other hydrogen here. Every hydrogen atom contains a single electron. Every hydrogen atom provides 1 electron for bonding. So in this way, if we observe, hydrogen complete its duplet. Both of the hydrogen complete its duplet and sulfur complete its octet. Now students, the final structure for H2S become like this. Students, sulfur, hydrogen, hydrogen. A pair of electrons between both of hydrogen and sulfur, and 2 of them exist as a lone pair of electron. Students, this is the final and best Lewis structure for hydrogen sulfide. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.